Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, assistant teacher of Science, National Leader English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a biology class for class 9 students on the based on extracreative and its answer which is belongs to chapter 14. So let us move forward to today's topic. The stem of the question is A. Tissue culture, B. Genetic engineering. The first question, what is called explant? Second question, mention the dissimilarities between traditional reproduction and gene reproduction. Question C is explain the process of the mentioned A technology, that means tissue culture. And question D is the B technology is a blessing for medical science and environment. Evaluate it. Come to the answer. First question was what is called explant. The answer is the part of a plant being separate from with the view of using in tissue culture is called explant. Now come to question answer of B. Question was mention the dissimilarities between traditional reproduction and gene reproduction. Natural mode of reproduction is known as traditional reproduction, which includes both sexual and asexual reproduction. It usually does not require any kind of artificial assistance. On the other hand, genetical manipulation to obtain organism with better characteristics usually require artificial external assistance. This may include artificial insemination, infertilization, cloning and embryonic splitting. Now come to question answer of C. Question C was explain the process of the mentioned A technology. Mentioned A technology in the STEM was tissue culture. The answer is A represent tissue culture technology. It is discussed below. Dear students, it is given in your textbook so nicely you can follow for the total question answer in your textbook. First step of tissue culture is selection of mother plant. The healthy disease resistant plant with high quality is selected for plant tissue culture. Second step, preparation of culture medium. For the growth of the plant culture, the culture media are made by mixing proper amount of essential mineral, nutrients, vitamins, phytohormones, sucrose and condensing substances agar to bring the medium to a semi-solid state. And third step is establishment of sterilized medium, taking the culture medium in a glass container and in its opening is usually closed with a cotton plug. Later in an autoclave machine keeping in the temperature of 121 degree centigrade, and with this pressure for the 20 minutes the medium is sterilized. After the medium turns into cold and semi-solid state, these explants are inoculated, and then again after closing the mouth or opening the glass container, it is kept in a room with the controlling of light and temperature for the growth of explant. And at this stage, the tissue placed on the medium through repeated cell division turns directly into a plantlet or callus or a cluster of cells without differentiation. Now come to next step, that is transfer in root developing medium. If no root is developed in the plantlets by this time after attaining a definite height, the shoot are cut down and again placed in a root developing medium. And last step, transfer to the natural environment. After washing with water and putting them outside the room on the tub, the plantlets are allowed to adapt with the external environment. When the grown up plantlets become fresh and strong, they are once again planted in the soil in the natural environment. Dear student, question answer D will be your homework, and that question was the technology B, that means genetic engineering is a blessing for medical science and environment. Dear students, in your textbook page number 306 and 307, the last two para, that means genetic engineering in the healthcare and in environment to reduce the pollution. There you will get the point, 2 point is given, so nicely that will be your question answer of D, and you have to write this as your homework number 19, and you have to submit on Saturday from 3 p.m. to 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. This chapter is too much important for you, so learn the tissue culture along with the picture and learn the genetic engineering along with the recombinant DNA technology pictures. So thank you. Allah Hafiz.